Mastering the meaning of In the Last Throes. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that might sound a bit dramatic but is quite useful in various contexts. In the last throes. Stick with us as we break down its meaning, usage, and give you some examples to help you understand how to use it in everyday conversation. In the last throes refers to the final stages of a difficult or painful process. The word throes implies a struggle or a period of suffering. So, when something is in its last throes, it's nearing the end of its turmoil or difficulty. This phrase is often used to describe the end of an era, the collapse of systems, or the final moments of life in a metaphorical or literal sense. To fully grasp the phrase, let's look at its parts. In is a preposition that indicates a situation or state. Last suggests the final part of something. Throes, a key term here, denotes intense or violent struggles, especially accompanying death, change, or pain. Combining these, In the Last Throes, paints a picture of being in the final stretch of a challenging period. To help solidify your understanding, let's go through a few examples. 1. A company facing bankruptcy. The company was in the last throes, trying desperately to find a buyer. 2. The end of an era. As the digital age took over, the traditional newspaper industry was in its last throes. 3. A personal struggle. After years of battling the illness, he was in the last throes, surrounded by his loved ones. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to different scenarios, from business to personal life, always indicating a concluding phase of struggle. It's important to note that throes is often mistakenly written as throws. Remember, throws relates to casting or flinging something, which is entirely different. Keeping this distinction clear will help you use the phrase correctly in writing and speech. We hope this video sheds light on the phrase, in the last throes, and empowers you to use it accurately in your English conversations. Whether it's to describe the end of a challenging time or the close of an era, this phrase adds depth and emotion to your narrative. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video where we'll explore more intriguing aspects of the English language.